Good afternoon to everyone. I am Prekya from VBMC Karnool, presenting a case of rare presentation of bilateral conjunctival infiltration in acute lymphoblastic leukemia. Introduction: acute lymphoblastic leukemia is most common malignancy in children. It most commonly presents with medullary involvement and includes extramedullary sites like CNS, testis, skin, subcutaneous tissue, bone, breast, head and neck. Ocular involvement usually seen in AML. It is very rare for ALL to have initial presentation as a conjunctival mass. In such situations, high index of suspicion and timely initiation of chemotherapy are very important for preservation of vision and survival. A case report: it is a 13-year-old male child who is diagnosed to have ALL, referred from pediatric oncology to our ophthalm OPD, presented with bilateral swellings of conjunctiva since 1 month, not associated with pain, redness, no history of fever, weight loss, diminution of vision. His visual acuity is 6/6 in both eyes. On ocular examination, we can see 4 into 5 centimeters hard not tender mass in the superior and inferior palpebral conjunctiva in right eye, and 1 into 2 centimeters hard mass in superior and inferior fornix. Rest of the anterior segment and fundus examination is normal. On physical examination, the patient had pallor, has bilateral testicular swellings. Other system examination is normal. Investigations revealed hemoglobin of 7.2 grams per dl, platelets 2.9 lakhs, total leukocyte count 3,500. Blood smear shows normocytic hypochromic cells. Immunohistochemistry and flow cytometer showed positivity for markers of acute lymphoblastic leukemia. The differential diagnosis is lymphangioma and conjunctival cyst. Treatment: he was started on a 3-drug induction with prednisolone, L-asparginase, vincristine. He did not take any active treatment for eye problem, but after 2 cycles of induction therapy with 3-drug regimen, clinically there is a complete resolution of the conjunctival infiltration. Follow-up slit lamp examination revealed resolution of conjunctival mass. He is presently on maintenance therapy of chemotherapy and doing well. This is complete resolution of mass after treatment. Leukemic manifestations occur most often in retina. Ophthalmic leukemic involvement can be a manifestation of primary or relapsed disease. Conjunctival mass has been reported as an initial presentation of ALL, relapse in childhood and in adults. It has never been reported as an initial manifestation of ALL. Ocular involvement is associated with a poor prognosis and increased risk of relapse. Many of ocular lesions may be asymptomatic, therefore it is important to consider ophthalmic evaluation at the time of diagnosis of ALL. Conclusion: if a patient presents with conjunctival mass, ALL should also be considered as one of the differential diagnoses and should be started on high-risk treatment. These are my references.